Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make bacon avocado salad. So we need 2 avocados, bacon, 4 slices of bacon and then crumbled, and then 2 cups of mixed lettuce. 2 cups of lettuce, okay? And then 1/4 cup tomatoes. I mean 1 cup tomatoes, 1/4 cup of red onions sliced into thin slices, okay? And then 1/4 cup of cheese, okay? Yeah, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and then 1/4 cup of balsamic vinaigrette dressing, okay? So to start, this one, we're gonna assemble this one, and then avocado. Okay guys, okay, so be sure to wash your hands ha. Kinahanglan limpyo atong kamot. Nya, kaning avocado ako na pod ni gihugasan guys, okay? Okay, we're gonna add it here. Avocado. Okay. Avocado is not good guys, so I just use not so much. Okay, next, tomatoes, and then we're gonna add the onions, the cheese, I mean the walnuts, and then the cheese, and then guys, we're gonna add the bacon, okay, and then we're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna add the vinaigrette dressing. Okay guys. Okay guys, so this is it, and then we're gonna taste it. Okay, okay, so that's our bacon avocado salad. It's done, so I'm gonna taste it. Okay guys, it's super yummy guys. It's super yummy. Look at the avocado. So this is our bacon avocado salad. It's done and it's super yummy. So it's yummy guys, okay? So Thank you for watching and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Broja. To my Instagram, D_bro_ja. And to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching, guys.